The dietary supplement industry has been experiencing explosive growth in recent years, with more and more people turning to supplements to improve their health and well-being. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global dietary supplements market size was valued at $123.28 billion United States dollars in 2019 and is expected to grow annually at 8.2% from 2020 to 2027. This presents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start a business that can not only be profitable but also help people improve their health. In this video, we will explore the benefits of starting a supplement company, the steps involved in setting up such a business, and strategies for success. We will delve into the supplement industry, its history, and the different types of supplements available in the market. We will also discuss market trends and opportunities, as well as the advantages of starting a supplement company, including the opportunity to make a positive impact on people's health. Starting a supplement company requires careful planning and an understanding of the regulatory requirements for dietary supplements. According to the FDA, there were over 9,000 dietary supplement products on the market as of 2020. However, not all of these products are safe or effective. In this video, we will provide guidance on navigating the regulatory landscape and ensuring product safety and quality. We will also cover labeling and packaging requirements and compliance with advertising and marketing guidelines. We will conclude with strategies for success, including building a loyal customer base, developing a strong brand identity, creating effective marketing campaigns, and building relationships with suppliers and distributors. By following the steps outlined in this video and staying up to date with industry trends and innovations, entrepreneurs can build a successful supplement company that not only generates profits but also helps people lead healthier lives. The supplement industry. The supplement industry has been growing rapidly in recent years, with more and more people turning to dietary supplements to improve their health and well-being. In this section, we will explore the history and growth of the supplement industry, the different types of supplements available in the market, and the current market trends and opportunities. History and growth of the supplement industry. Dietary supplements have been used for centuries to improve health and prevent disease. However, it was not until the 20th century that the supplement industry began to take shape. In the 1940s, the first vitamin supplements were developed, followed by mineral supplements in the 1950s. The industry continued to grow throughout the 20th century, with new supplements and formulations being developed to meet the needs of consumers. Today, the supplement industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry, with a wide range of products available to consumers. According to the Council for Responsible Nutrition, over 3/4 of American adults take dietary supplements, with the most commonly used supplements being multivitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, and calcium. Types of supplements. Dietary supplements come in many forms, including pills, capsules, powders, and liquids. They may contain one or more of the following. 1. Vitamins. These are organic compounds that are essential for normal bodily functions. They are classified as either fat-soluble, vitamins A, D, E, and K, or water-soluble, vitamins B and C. 2. Minerals. These are inorganic compounds that are essential for various bodily functions, such as building strong bones and teeth, maintaining fluid balance, and transmitting nerve impulses. 3. Herbal supplements. These are products made from plants or plant extracts that are used for their medicinal properties. Examples include echinacea, ginseng, and St. John's wort. 4. Probiotics. These are live microorganisms that are beneficial for gut health. 5. Enzymes. These are proteins that help the body break down food and absorb nutrients. Market trends and opportunities. The supplement industry is expected to continue growing in the coming years, driven by several factors, including 1. Increasing interest in health and wellness. As people become more health conscious, they are more likely to turn to dietary supplements to improve their health and well-being. 2. Aging population. As the population ages, there is a growing need for supplements to support healthy aging. 3. Convenience. Dietary supplements offer a convenient and easy way to meet nutritional needs. 4. E-commerce. The growth of e-commerce has made it easier for consumers to purchase supplements online. Benefits of starting a supplement company. Starting a supplement company offers numerous benefits, including the opportunity to make a positive impact on people's health and well-being. Let's explore the advantages of starting a supplement company. including the potential for profitability, flexibility, and personal fulfillment. 1. Profitability. The supplement industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry with significant potential for profitability. According to Grand View Research, the global dietary supplements market size was valued at $123.28 billion United States dollars in 2019 and is expected to grow at 8.2% annually from 2020 to 2027. As more and more people turn to supplements to improve their health, there is a growing demand for high-quality, safe, and effective supplements. 2. Flexibility. Starting a supplement company offers a great deal of flexibility, as entrepreneurs have the freedom to design their own products, set their own prices, and create their own marketing campaigns. This flexibility allows entrepreneurs to tailor their business to their specific goals and needs, and to make changes as necessary to stay competitive. 3. Personal fulfillment. Starting a supplement company can also be personally fulfilling, as entrepreneurs have the opportunity to make a positive impact on people's health and well-being. By creating high-quality, safe, and effective supplements, entrepreneurs can help people achieve their health and wellness goals and improve their overall quality of life. 4. Low barrier to entry. Starting a supplement company has a relatively low barrier to entry as compared to other industries. With the right knowledge and resources, entrepreneurs can start a supplement company from their own homes or small offices, without the need for expensive equipment or facilities. 5. Growing demand. As we mentioned earlier, the supplement industry is expected to continue growing in the coming years, driven by increasing interest in health and wellness, the aging population, and the convenience of supplements. This growing demand presents a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start a supplement company. 6. Opportunity for innovation. The supplement industry is constantly evolving, with new products and formulations being developed to meet the needs of consumers. This presents an opportunity for entrepreneurs to innovate and create new, unique products that meet specific consumer needs or address gaps in the market. Strategies for success. Launching a supplement company is just the first step. To succeed in the competitive supplement industry, entrepreneurs must implement effective strategies for growth and sustainability. In this section, we will explore key strategies for success in the supplement industry. 1. Focus on quality. Quality is essential in the supplement industry. Consumers expect high-quality, safe, and effective products, and entrepreneurs must deliver on this expectation to build trust and loyalty. This involves sourcing high-quality ingredients, working with reputable manufacturers, and adhering to good manufacturing practices to ensure product safety and consistency. 2. Build a strong brand. Building a strong brand is crucial in the supplement industry, as it helps differentiate a company from competitors and establishes a connection with consumers. Entrepreneurs should focus on creating a unique brand identity that resonates with their target audience, and communicate this through their website, social media presence, and marketing materials. 3. Prioritize customer service. Customer service is an important factor in building trust and loyalty among consumers. Entrepreneurs should prioritize customer service, responding promptly to inquiries and addressing any concerns or issues that arise. This can help build a positive reputation and increase customer loyalty. 4. Stay up to date on industry trends. The supplement industry is constantly evolving, with new products, ingredients, and trends emerging regularly. Entrepreneurs must stay up to date on these trends and adapt their strategies and products accordingly to remain competitive. This may involve conducting market research, attending industry events, and networking with other professionals in the industry. 5. Embrace innovation. Innovation is key to success in the supplement industry. Entrepreneurs should constantly seek new and innovative ways to improve their products and services and differentiate themselves from competitors. This may involve developing new formulations, improving delivery methods, or using new packaging materials. 6. Monitor regulations. Regulations governing the supplement industry can change over time, and entrepreneurs must stay up to date on these changes to ensure compliance. Failure to comply with regulatory requirements can result in fines, legal action, and damage to the company's reputation. Entrepreneurs should regularly review regulatory requirements and work with legal professionals to ensure compliance. The supplement industry offers significant opportunities for entrepreneurs, but success requires careful planning and execution. By focusing on quality, building a strong brand, prioritizing customer service, staying up to date on industry trends, embracing innovation, and monitoring regulations, entrepreneurs can position their supplement company for long-term success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Until next time, keep living your best life.